Right people, we are back and cracking on with the Audi TT. You all know, if you watched the last video, we bought a fantastic bonnet, but there was a catch. Not quite the right colour as described, but it was so good I could not pass up on it. But let's show you what we're cracking on with today. We have got new tyres. We have got the new RS style grille, so we'll have that out and in hopefully today. We have got a second hand headlight, which, to be honest, if you saw the state of the first one, I think it probably looked better than what was on the Dia. But as you can see, we have got a complete front panel with radiators and aircon rad, so we'll be stripping this out and getting this back in the car. So, got a bit to do, so we will be cracking on. Plan is to strip the front panel so we can get everything stabilised on the front end of the Audi TT. We will get the crash bar back in, we'll get the new grille back on the bumper, headlight in, front end buttoned up. I know we've got to sort that bonnet by painting it. I know we've got to refurbish the wheels, which are there. We'll get the tyres put back on that. Not happy about the caliper on that side, so we're going to have a look at that tonight as well. So, in the words of my 5-year-old, let's crack on. Right, so what we're going to do, we're just going to take the Phillips screws out of here, replace this grille, and see what it looks like once you've done it. So, nice and easy. Just a case of undoing these Phillips screws. I will put some new ones back in, so I don't like these rusty screws. So we have got, you notice I'm using a screwdriver. Don't want to use a gun in case everyone says, oh, you shouldn't be using a gun. So, yeah, screwdriver. Oh, you might cross-thread it. Oh, you're going to break the bolts. You gotta laugh. So, as you can see, the Dia took the top piece out. So we've got no screws holding that in. But there should be, this is the 4 along the bottom. Right, so there you go, guys. As you can see, old grille ready out. Don't forget the new one. Just want to offer it up to see if it's the same as the other one. Okay, so look at that, guys. Let me just put one of these crusty bolts in, just so I can show you guys, and then you can see what it looks like. Let's have a look, guys. Ugh, getting old. Right, so look at that. What a difference. And I'm sure you'll all agree, a bargain at that money. Right, let's crack on with getting this fitted.
Straight on with stripping that passenger side caliper that was seized, and managed to be able to free that off so we could finally get that wheel turning. And then it was straight over to the driver's side so we could sort out that wing that had a slight split in it. We've had an awful trouble trying to get a wing in colour, so we thought we'd have a go at repairing it. Then we were on to the front section. As you can see, crash bar is back on, front panel is in, and then it's a case of getting the headlights done, the bonnet lined up, and making sure that everything lines up as it should do. And as you can see, I'm very happy with the results.
Right, guys, it is now 5 to 11, so we have put a proper shift on this Audi TT. As you can see, we have got the bonnet on, albeit we need to get it painted. We've got the front bumper on, we've got the grille on, we've got the headlight in, we've got everything lined up now. So we are happy that everything lines up where it should do. I've managed to unseize the caliper. We've taken off those stupid Brembo fake covers, which to be honest started to grow on me, but I'm not going to let that sway my decision to remove them. Right, so all we've got to do now is get that bonnet painted. Alloy wheels need to be refurbed. We've got the brand new tyres, if you can see them sitting there. So we'll get them done on the car, and then it'll be off to the MOT to see if we've passed or failed, guys. So the last video on this car will be bonnet painted, down to the MOT garage, and then we will crunch the numbers. What do you reckon, guys? I don't think there's going to be much profit in this one, but let's have a quick look and I'll show you how we got on with this one today. All right, let me know what you think, guys. We obviously need a grill. So if anyone out there in the chat is watching, have you got a spare one of these? Obviously, we don't want any stolen parts, so please don't go out and nick one on my behalf. But what do you think, guys? Definitely no more deer impacts on this one. And looking forward to get this one down the MOT and off the ramp ready for the Maserati, which will be our next project.